What's going on, guys? I haven't been here in a while on YouTube. I'm back now after like 6 months or 8 months of no video at all. My last video was, I think, in Oslo, Norway, but I'm back in the USA. Dope content is gonna come. I bought a new camera, Sony a6500 and Sigma 30mm lens, so the content is gonna be on another level. So I took 3 months off, lost I think 10 or 15 pounds of muscle, lost I think 20 pounds in total in body fat as well and in muscle, and now I just regained it. I didn't film the whole process, I don't know why, but probably because I just got the camera like a week ago. But yeah, I gained it all back. My strength already went up, but from here on out you will see dope content probably on a weekly basis, or on my Instagram probably on a daily basis. So guys, I'm gonna take you through a gnarly push workout now. What the fuck? Are you fucking with me? What was that? Guys, I'm a little fatty, so gotta put in some cardio here.
Yeah, buddy.
We done? No. Quick physique update because I'm gonna start my diet probably next week. I'm gonna start a keto diet. I'm gonna document everything on my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my channel. Click the bell down below to see whenever I post a new video. And yeah, just check out my bulky physique right now.
Squeeze.
Right there.
Yeah. I hit that double by. Show them the wheels.
Alright guys, quick leg update. Can't see the calves though.